What's up, Doc? We have Korean fried chicken. It's plain right now. There's a mixed set, so we have some drumsticks, and we have some thighs, and some wings. And we have some shaved green onion with lemon as a sauce. It's kind of spicy. The onion is just, since it's been shaved, it has extra tingliness, so it's a little bit spicy. We also have some daikon rice, which is a little bit on the mellow side. This is from Doc's house. Let's try some. Has some good crunch on the outside. The meat's a little dry, but tender for the most part. Let's try some sauces on it. I can tell it's gonna be spicy already. Put this down so I don't lose it. Too tasty!